Thinking about buying a car? You might want to hit the brakes and look at the real cost of ownership because maintenance can add up fast. Today, we're counting down the top 15 car brands ranked by their 10-year average maintenance cost, from the cheapest to the priciest. Some of these might surprise you. Let's jump in. Number 15. Tesla, $5,050. Electric cars for the win. Tesla claims the 15th spot with the lowest average 10-year maintenance cost, coming in at just $5,050. Thanks to fewer moving parts and a simplified drivetrain, Tesla vehicles typically experience fewer mechanical issues over time, making them a smart choice for long-term savings. Number 14. Toyota, $5,300. Known for its legendary reliability, Toyota holds the 14th spot with an average 10-year maintenance cost of just $5,300. This low upkeep cost is a major reason why Toyota remains a fan favorite among drivers looking for dependable long-term ownership without breaking the bank. Number 13. Hyundai, $5,680. Affordable upfront and still easy on the wallet years down the road, Hyundai owners spend an average of just $5,680 over a 10-year period. That's a solid deal, making Hyundai a smart pick for budget-conscious drivers who don't want to sacrifice reliability. Number 12. Nissan, $5,935. Nissan keeps things budget-friendly with an average 10-year maintenance cost of just $5,935. It's a solid choice for drivers who prioritize value, practicality, and dependable performance without stretching their wallets too far. Number 11. Ford, $5,950. The American classic, Ford, takes the 11th spot with an average 10-year maintenance cost of $5,950. Whether you're driving an F-150 or a Focus, Ford vehicles are generally affordable to maintain, offering a great blend of utility, performance, and long-term value. Number 10. Chevrolet, $6,050. Chevrolet just crosses the $6,000 mark with an average 10-year maintenance cost of $6,050. Still, that's quite reasonable, especially when compared to the often hefty costs of maintaining luxury brands. Chevy continues to offer strong value for everyday drivers. Number 9. Honda, $6,130. Surprised. Despite Honda's rock-solid reputation for reliability, the average 10-year maintenance cost comes in at $6,130. It's not the cheapest on the list, but still quite reasonable, proving that even dependable cars need a bit of care over time. Number 8. Jeep, $6,470. Adventure comes with a cost. Jeep drivers spend an average of $6,470 over 10 years on maintenance. That number likely reflects the extra wear from off-roading and the rugged go-anywhere builds that make Jeeps so popular among outdoor enthusiasts. Number 7. Volkswagen, VW, $6,640. Volkswagen, or VW, lands in the 7th spot with an average 10-year maintenance cost of $6,640. Known for their sleek styling and solid performance, VWs are fun to drive, but owners should be prepared for a few maintenance bills along the way. Number 6. BMW, $9,800. Now we're entering luxury territory. BMW owners can expect to spend around $9,800 over a 10-year period, and that's assuming everything goes smoothly. With premium engineering comes premium upkeep, so be ready for those higher service costs that come with the badge. Number 5. Volvo, $9,825. Volvo is renowned for its safety and comfort, but that level of luxury comes at a price. Over a 10-year period, owners can expect to spend around $9,825 on maintenance. It's a small price to pay for the peace of mind that comes with driving one of the safest cars on the road. Number 4. Audi, $11,050. Luxury, tech, and performance often come with higher costs, and Audi is no exception. Audi owners can expect to spend around $11,050 over 10 years on maintenance. From advanced technology to those sleek LED headlights, it's clear that premium features come at a premium price. Number 3. Mercedes-Benz, $13,100. Mercedes-Benz delivers top-tier luxury, but at a steep cost. Over 10 years, owners can expect to pay around $13,100 in maintenance. With the brand's premium engineering and advanced features, those sleek rides come with premium repair bills to match. Number 2. Porsche. $16,000. Performance definitely has a price. Porsche takes the second spot with a staggering $16,000 in average 10-year maintenance costs. But hey, when you're driving a Porsche, you're paying for precision engineering and unrivaled driving experience. So it's all part of the thrill. Number 1. Landrover. $17,450. And at number 1, the most expensive brand to maintain over 10 years is Landrover with a jaw-dropping $17,450. While it's undoubtedly a luxury SUV, it's also a maintenance monster. The blend of off-road capability and high-end features comes with a hefty price tag for upkeep. From Teslas to Land Rovers, there's a wide range in what you'll spend over a decade. So before you buy, remember, it's not just the sticker price, it's the long-term cost that counts. Which brand surprised you the most? Drop your thoughts in the comments, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more car and money tips made easy.